guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be fixing a slime. Like, I already kind of started fixing it, and it's like an old, like, disgusting slime that I got from like a game place, an arcade. And yeah, so what I just did was I added some shaving cream, a little cup of shaving cream. It came in like this like ice cream cone kind of thing. Really cute. And this was like dark, and I added some shaving cream in there, and it was like kind of nice. So I'm just gonna adding shaving cream right now to kind of, yeah. And yeah, this is what we're doing right now. So I'm just adding like a little bit of shaving cream at a time. I want it to be like a bigger slime. I don't want it to be like this. That's literally like long right now. Yeah, and then I have some soap, because I didn't have any lotion, because I just threw my lotion away because I used it all. So that's why I'm using some foaming. So that's technically, yeah. So I'm just about to add like all of the shaving cream. What happens if I add like all the shaving cream? It's just there's like too much shaving cream. Shaving cream bubble. It's still not popped. This bubble is like not popped yet. The poop. There we go. I think I added too much shaving cream because like, and I went all the way to my parents' room, even though in this bag right there I have shaving cream from the vacation. Just put my stuff in my bag because like, that was the only thing I had. I think I added too much shaving cream. It's like, look at this. I think I just ruined it, but you can always mix it in. And what I'm gonna do, I think what I'm messing it up is I have more and more shaving cream on my hands. Scrape. Now we're gonna get to this. This is like very fluffy right now. So I have to like look. ASMR. So yeah, well, not very squishy. It's rippy. So add some water to this, but it's so soft. So first we're gonna add some soap. Soap. So we can make like I'm known for like my little bubble things. Especially this one. So let's see if I can make one. It popped. I don't know if the soap is really gonna do anything. Okay, the soap is melting. I can definitely tell the soap is melting. Thing is, I'm not even some, it looks like testicles. Like this. I'm not supposed to have fun. Getting to me. So yeah, like this is what it looks like right now, like testicles. And it's not like sticking together. What's wrong? Nobody knows. And for some reason I decided not to put my hair up. Don't know why, but just ruined this thing. So yeah, let me go get some water really quickly. Okay, I'm going. Okay, I got back. I have the water. So we are going to grab this. Make sure there's no hair in it because open it up. I think I added too much, but just some of it out. And you see, going to be happy little water bubble now. Boing, 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 boing. Just see if we look. See if we can pop it. Yep, I popped it. Just trying to melt the slime right now. And sometimes it will just like dip the slime in the water. So, we can wait. Yeah. I found some shaving cream. I have exactly no idea what I'm doing right now. I want to go somewhere else. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to be happy with that now. So let's finish mixing. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. I'm so sure. I'm so sure. So So this is what we ended up with. So thanks for watching my channel. And please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video. For sure. So, thanks.